Subwoofers are a vital component of any sound system. They allow listeners to experience the essence of the room where the music was performed and brings the power of a car chase, a battle scene, or dinosaur theme park right into your home. Bowers & Wilkins subwoofers combine flagship technology with industry-first features. The Aerofoil bass drivers in the 800 series Diamond speakers are now in the DB series subwoofers for the first time. This integrates our most advanced bass driver into the important role of sub-frequencies. The Aerofoil design reduces surface distortion while maintaining low mass. This means faster response, further extension, and more accurate bass. The Bowers & Wilkins subwoofer app was also introduced with the new DB subwoofer line. This app puts all the subwoofer controls in the palm of your hand. You can wirelessly fine-tune your sub with the app's gain control and 5-band equalizer. You can also select from several preloaded settings to complement a variety of Bowers & Wilkins speakers. Simply select your speakers and the app will activate settings measured and applied by the engineers in our Southwater Research and Engineering facility. This takes the guesswork out of setting up your new system. The DB series also features a room calibration feature. This leverages the microphone on your iPhone or other device to read how your DB reacts in your room. Choose one primary location for a listening room or multiple locations for applications like a home theater. Once measurements are complete, the app will show you the corrections and apply them automatically. This feature can be turned on or off anytime in the app. You can also name each subwoofer, which comes in handy with multiple subs. This way you can easily identify through the app which sub you're currently working with. The PV1D subwoofer uses a unique pressure vessel configuration. Its compact size and designer look make it ideal for modern decor, but the size is not an indication of its massive room-filling power. This little guy packs a serious punch from its opposed 8-inch aluminum drivers and 400-watt amplifier. It also features digital signal processing and an onboard touchscreen for settings and adjustments. It's the perfect form factor for the mini theater system. If you like your subwoofer felt but not seen, Bowers & Wilkins offers integration options so you can mount your subwoofer in a cabinet, in the attic, in the basement, or even in an adjacent room or closet. The Bandpass ISW3 vents bass into the room through a 2-inch by 10-inch opening that can be concealed with any decorative vent cover you choose. Or use the vent cover it comes with, already primed for paint. The DB line has 4 models available in gloss black and white. All 4 models feature Aerofoil bass driver technology from the 800 series Diamond speakers. The DB4S subwoofer features a single 10-inch carbon fiber bass driver powered by a 1,000-watt Class D amplifier. The DB3D features a pair of 8-inch drivers powered by a single 1,000-watt Class D amplifier. The DB2D steps up to a pair of 10-inch bass drivers with 1,000 watts of power. The DB1D gets the added punch of a 2,000-watt amplifier to drive an upgraded pair of 12-inch bass drivers. Bowers & Wilkins also offers 2 custom installation subwoofers. The ISW3 is a self-contained passive subwoofer with a pair of 6.5-inch paper and aramid fiber bass drivers in a ported bandpass enclosure. This requires the SA250 subwoofer amplifier, sold separately. The ISW4 is an in-wall subwoofer featuring a pair of front-firing 8-inch paper and aramid fiber bass drivers. Installation requires a pre-construction back box, sold separately. This must be installed before sheetrock. This model also requires a rack-mounted SA250 subwoofer amplifier for power, also sold separately. Bass brings all your content to life. Your playlists will sound bigger, hit harder, and deliver depth you've never experienced before. Even the simplest recordings will gain new life when a subwoofer anchors the system. Movies will sound the way the producer intended. The dedicated low-frequency effects channel is encoded in your movies exclusively for your subwoofer to bring home a movie theater's punch, energy, and power. For dedicated home theaters, use multiple subs for an experience that can only be duplicated in the local cinema. Or match one subwoofer with each of your stereo speakers to reproduce both channels in full range.